Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to show you guys the new Lancome holiday collection. It is a collection that was in collaboration with Lisa Eldridge. Her inspiration was the Louvre Museum with the strong female statues and what they represent to us females. And I think it's beautiful. It's a beautiful collection that I could not wait to get my hands on. It comes in an eyeshadow palette that has one highlight and 4 eyeshadows. It also comes with 4 lipsticks, but I was only able to get 3, so it'll still work. And let's start off with the palette. The palette, like I said, comes with a highlighter and 4 eyeshadows. It is inspired by the statue of Corinne. Here is the packaging. It is a black case with the Louvre picture in the front, and the actual palette has a depiction of the face of the statue of Corinne. Here's her hair, and here are her eyes. And here it is. Beautiful casing, very smooth. Not, I wouldn't say sparkly, but just a nice glow, ethereal colors. And you can also see the hair and the eyes in the palette. It's pretty cool. And I'm really excited to try this green one because, of course, green is my favorite color. If you did not know, I'm excited to try that one. And I'm going to go ahead and try to use all the shades in my look. I already have foundation on and concealer, and I have bronzer on, and I have a little bit of blush on. I used the Lisa Eldridge Seamless Foundation in number 15. I used the Cle de Peau concealer in shade 2 Ocher, and I am using Hourglass's Ambient Lighting palette number 2 in I'm using the bronzer and the blush. That's what I have on right now. Oh, where am I? There we go. That's what I have on right now. And let's get this started. So before I start, let's peel this away. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Wow, it's just a beautiful, beautiful palette. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this shade here, which is a copper light, on my outer corner first. They go on smoothly, which is so nice. It's a nice pearlescent type of eyeshadow. And they are all like that. There's not a one matte eyeshadow on this palette. And then I'm going to use this pink one on the inner part of my lid. Let's see how that turns out. Wow. They go on so softly. So this is really much an ethereal look. And then I'm going to use the green one in my outer corner. Let me see. Use this brush. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to use this as a bottom liner. Oh, it's so pretty. Can you guys see that? Now I'm going to use this middle marble color in here in my inner corner. They're literally so easy to work with. But what a beautiful collection. And of course, anything to do with Lisa Eldridge, I'm all for. You don't have to ask me twice. I love her. Go ahead and finish up with the other side. So I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. A little bit of concealer. I'm going to use the Natasha Denona concealer, and this is in, what color is this? Number 8, in shade 8, just to sort of clean up underneath. There is a little bit of fallout, which is expected with some of this, a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of pearlescent. Just clean this up. Now I'm going to finish off the eyes with a little bit of mascara. Well, here are the finished eyes. I think it's very ethereal, very glowy, but very smooth. They went on very nicely. I did have a little bit of fallout, but that was easily corrected by applying the concealer, and there it is. I like it, it's pretty. So now let's try the lipsticks. The collection came with 4 lipsticks, but I was only able to purchase 3 because the one was sold out, and it was the French, I think it's called French tea number, I can't remember the number. Did I write it down? Yeah, French tea number 274 was sold out. And so I was able to purchase the 3, which is shade number 105, and that's Celestial Rose. Shade number 196, which is French Touch. And shade number 200, French Drama. And here are the swatches. The cool thing is it is a collapsible lipstick. Comes out like that, push with the press of the button here on the very top, and you just put it right back in. So each lipstick has a picture of one of the statues in the Louvre, and this one, which is lipstick number 105, French Touch, is depicting the hand of Nymph Echo. So pretty. And here's a swatch. And let's try it on. So I'm going to start from center out. Very pigmented. It is doesn't have much of a scent, but it is a matte lipstick. Goes on very smoothly. Very pigmented. So this is French Touch number 105. It is a pretty, like a brick red color. Sort of a cinnamon touch to it as well. Wow, it's so pretty. It does feel moisturizing, but it is a beautiful matte, sort of velvety. Reminds me a bit of course, of Lisa Eldridge's, Lisa Eldridge matte lipsticks. So pretty. Now let's see if I'm able to take them off. The next lipstick is number 196, and this one's called French Touch. And this lipstick depicts the nymph of, it's called the Nymph with Scorpion. And here it is. You see the face of that statue is so beautiful, so ethereal. Here is a swatch. Let's try it on. Ah. Again, very pigmented. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful color. You tell me what you think. Does it look good on me or not? I really don't know. You give me your input, please. But it feels very nice, like I said in the other one, very hydrating as well. And very pigmented. Now let's try the next one. Okay, so the last one we're trying is number 200, and that is French Drama. And this one depicts hermaphrodite. It depicts the back of hermaphrodite. It's so pretty as well. So beautiful. Here's a swatch. And let's try this on. See? Ooh. But this is definitely more of a brown tone, and it's actually, the thing, this is my favorite. What do you think? I think I look better in the more earthy tones. But this is still pretty. What an amazing, pretty highlight. Wow, that is so pretty. Wow. This completely leveled up the look. What an amazing highlight. Boop. So pretty. Well, that is it, guys. I really hope you like this collection. It is, what I love about it the most is how it brought the past to the future or to the present. It really shows how powerful women were in the past, centuries ago, and how powerful women are now. We are strong, beyond beauty, we are strong and amazing. So, and that is it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all your support. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like, and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.